Okay, so we're going into the main master bedroom. So they've left us some welcome treats over here, which is some cake and some macarons by the looks of it. Yeah. Okay, so it's got a nice large bed, so it looks like a queen size bed. Very good. They've left us something on the bed. What is it? Okay, so they've left us some bath salts, which is quite nice. So it was very good, the whole entire check-in process. The butler came, introduced themselves, the housekeeping, everyone was very helpful. I'm quite impressed, to be honest. Okay, so they have a TV on that side over there. It's got an AC fitted. So this is a seating area which is meant to be in the other room, but we've put it into here because we fit a extra bed in the other room, which I'll show you. And then they've got a little dressing table stroke workstation. And then we walk into the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathtub. They have a nice double sink, quite nice, quite good. Let's have a look. They've got the sewing case, the nail file. They actually have Bulgari soap, which is quite good, very decent. Then they've got a beautiful bathtub over here, quite nice. You have a view of outside, which I think you can go outside. So there is a door here, which is quite good. On the bathtub, they got again Bulgari stuff, similar to what they give you in Emirates, to be honest, which is quite good. And then this is the shower cubicle, which is like outside, but it's got a glass there at the back. Very funky. So they've got a glass, and then they've got a nice shower head. Very cool, actually. They've got a laundry basket, and let's have a quick look at the toilet. So nice toilet over here. They've got the washing thing over there. But yeah, very good, very clean. You know, I'd see these pebble effects on the floor is quite nice. This pebble effect. So quite good. Impressed. So they have a few towels over here which you can use when you're going to the beach. They have a very nice seating area over here. So like I mentioned, this is a 2-bedroom villa. They have a little plunge pool over here, which is quite good, and it's temperature controlled. And then they have a seating area over here where there's deck chairs and for sunbathing. So this is the games room. It has a pool table. They have a PlayStation. They have a foosball machine. They have some board games over the side over there. So this is the games room in the hotel. So quite nice.